So today we have to discuss the top 5 stocks on my watch list for this week. We got Palantir, Snap on the semiconductors that pulled back in a while from the 130 and now is kind of discounted around the 74. We got Spotify, of course, as well. We got a discount from 780 until the 400. So almost half last earning in February, and we kind of established a bit of support over the 400. And finally, we got a Caterpillar. So, which one would be the best one for the earnings today and tomorrow? Of course, pre-market. So, let us discuss first Palantir, the top one and the biggest one on the list here. Palantir, it was around the 207 at the end of the last year, of course, almost 200, and pulled back almost 45% around the 106, losing 45%, a good discount for my opinion. And right now, establish a strong support. And a reversal happened before even the earnings, so there is someone loading up on Palantir, so it reversed almost in 1 month. 26% from the dip around the 106. And today we got an estimate, the estimate is good for the revenue and the earnings. So if we beat the estimate today, we have to hold the 106.46 and break the 136.55. From my opinion, will confirm that we might have a nice jump for today and go again toward the territory of the 150 and maybe the 200 at the end of the this year. So right now we got the 106.46. Let me know, guys, if you already bought Palantir or you adding up on the dip around the 106 if we have a bad earnings. But from my opinion, this is a really good dip. We are far away from it, almost 12% right now. For Snap, on the other hand, right now there's someone loading up on Snap before the earnings. For the earnings, still the estimation for the earnings is a negative, but yeah, the estimation is expecting to be lower than expected. So for Snap, guys, is a bit bearish and have a new low around the $3.80. It might go toward the $1 by the end of this year if we got the bad earnings again for today after hours. That's why I'm watching it closely for either squeeze or potential squeeze down. But the good reaction is we got a really good wick today at the market open around the 440. So there's someone actually buying Snap before the earnings and confirmation for that after we break the $5.17 and hold over the $3.88. Again, guys, as a reminder, usually we always do update for the earnings play on our Discord and Patreon every time. Last time we discussed stock that have earnings and did really well. It was Manpower, of course, jumped pretty well. And of course, we did the other update for Amazon before the earnings. The price was around the 237 and right now around the 300 territory. So almost, or not almost, but already hit the all-time high for Amazon. So we always do update for the stock that have earnings on our Discord and Patreon. For now, we did this update. We're gonna do it weekly every Monday because right now is the earning season. Just a snap about our watch list, the stock that we picking for almost 150. I think we got a lot of stocks reporting earnings today, as you can see on Monday 126. So we always pick just 5 or 7 top, the best play or the watch list that I'm watching from either discounted price or, of course, perfect price for any stocks, fundamentally and technically. That's why we pick or lower down because you can buy all of them. We pick only the good play here on our hunting channel. Anyway, so as we said, we're gonna discuss tomorrow. There's always every day a watch list, but today we're gonna do this section on our hunt or on our YouTube discussing our watch list just on Monday. And if you want to have our watch list every day, you can actually join us on our Discord and on the link in the description below. So as we said, Snap, I will watch for a breakout today around the $5.17, and maybe if we have a good earnings, we should hold the $3.88 as a bottom, and of course the $6 should be the target after that. Next up, we got on or this semiconductor. It could be a good candidate to watch, guys, because as well, it's getting near the lower price that we were at back in 9th of February when we have the good earnings around the 74.29. So we got a big buyer around this level. If we held over the 72.58 will be a confirmation that we got a big buyer holding the price over this level. And of course, the 102.14 could be the level to squeeze from. And of course, the estimation today for the earnings, not bad, is expecting to be a positive one. And the earning or the price target, analyst price target, yearly price target is 40% up around the 115. So if we got a good earnings, we should overcome this resistance and go toward the 130 for on. Spotify, finally, we have Spotify and Caterpillar. Both of them looking discounted, especially for Spotify after visiting the 408. As we said earlier, we were almost hitting this $800 back last year, yeah, in June, and now we are back near the 400, so almost half the value for Spotify went down, but now the estimation is kind of neutral. So if we got a positive one and a strong one, we might have a nice squeeze for Spotify. So right now we got the 571 for Spotify to break from and the 408.60, guys. This is by far the most important bottom for this year. So if you is interested in buying Spotify, watch out for this bottom. I forgot totally to remind you guys, all our content here for educational purposes only. So as we said, we got an interesting level right now for Spotify to hold over the 408.60. Breaking the 571 will be confirming that we got a good earnings for Spotify. And of course, Spotify will report earning tomorrow pre-market. So we have to break the 507 to go toward almost the 700. Caterpillar finally is, yeah, it's pulling back really interestingly over the 756.71. This level we were at exactly back the last earnings back in April, and we got back exactly at the same price as the earnings before. So right now, if we beat the earnings again, the better than the April, even the for estimation, as you can see here, it's expecting 6 instead of 5, and for the revenue, expecting 19 instead of 17. If we see like 20, would be even better, and Caterpillar will squeeze around the 907. Right now, it's around the 823. So the main event today is holding the 756. So if we broke, it means we have bad earnings, and we'll watch for buying the dip around the 663 would be a really good dip, for my opinion, to buy this discounted price for Caterpillar. But if we held the 756, we're gonna have a nice jump toward the 900 and maybe the 1000 once again. Again, we're gonna do update for those stocks after the earnings. So expect update on our Discord and Patreon, and of course, we're gonna discuss those stocks later by tomorrow before the market open and during our live streaming 15 minutes before the market open as usual. So hit the notification button and subscribe in order to be notified daily. Thank you for watching, everybody.